Hi students, class 10, chapter 2, exercise number 2.8, question number 1. Find the sum of first n terms of the GP. The given is a sequence, is a GP sequence. We want to find out the sum of n term, that is Sn, right? Let's see one by one. The first Roman number is given as 5 minus 3, 9 by 5 minus 27 by 5, right? And then second Roman number 256, 64 and 16. Let's see the first Roman number. In first Roman number is A is equal to 5. We want to find common ratio R is equal to T2 divided by T1 is equal to, what is the T2? Minus 3 divided by 5. The value is less than 1. So we want to find out Sn, sum of that GP. A into, it is less than 1. So use 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R formula. Because we have to avoid negative value. That's why we are using this formula. So Sn is equal to, what is A value? You know, that is 5, and then 1 minus R is equal to minus 3 by 5 whole power n divided by 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 inside the bracket, right? Now 5 into the numerator as it is 1 minus 3 by 5 whole power n divided by the denominator term 1 minus into minus is plus 3 by 5. Now you take LCM for the denominator term. What you get? The numerator as it is 5 into 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 power n divided by 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 5, right? And then the denominator of denominator term should be in the numerator. So it should be multiplied here, 5 into 5 into 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 whole power n divided by 8. So 5 is a 25, 5 is a 25, and we take 8 as commonly outside, that is the denominator term. So 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 whole power n is the answer. Let's see the second Roman number, that is 256. So the first term is 256. Common ratio R is equal to T2 divided by T1. Then T2 is equal to 64 divided by 256. If you reduce this, 1 divided by 4, we get 64 ones are 64 into 4 is 256. So 1 by 4 is less than 1. We want to find Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Less than 1, we use the form. Now the term A is equal to 256, and then 1 minus R value is 1 by 4 power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. 256 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n divided by, if you take LCM for this, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4, right? And then denominator of denominator should be in the numerator. So 4 into 256 into 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power n divided by 3. Whole divided by 3 or divided by 3, right? And then if you multiply this, I get 1024. 256 into 4 is 1024, and then 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 power n. This is the value. Next question number 2. Find the sum of first 6 terms of the GP. So we want to find out S6, sum of the 6 terms of GP. The first term A is given as 5, right? Common ratio R is equal to T2 divided by T1. T2 is second term, 15 divided by first term 5. When I divide, we get R is equal to 3. R is equal to 3 means 3 is greater than 1. So Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is the formula. Now we have to find out 6 terms, sum of 6 terms. S6 is equal to A is equal to 5, R is equal to 3 power 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. When I reduce this, 5 into 3 power 6 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? This is the 3 power 6. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243, 243 3s are 729, I think. 729 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2, right? And then reduce this. 5 into 729 minus 1 is 728 divided by 2, reduce by 2. 3 2s are 6, 12 3 6 are, sorry, 2 6 are 12, and then 4. 364 into 5. Now multiple this. 5 4s are 20, 0 remainder 2, 5 6 are 30, 32, remainder 3, 5 3 is 15, 1820. 1820 is the sum of sixth term of GP. Next, see question number 3. Find the first term of GP. We want to find the first term, that is A, whose common ratio R is given as 5 and whose sum of first sixth term S6 is given as 46872. So question number 3, R is given as 5 and then S6, sum of sixth term is equal to 46872 is given. So Sn, we know the formula, that is A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 is the formula. So we applied here A into R value is 5 power n, right? N is here 6, 5 power 6 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 is equal to 46872, right? And then A into 5 power 6, right? 5 into 5 into 5, right? 5 power 6 is, when we multiply we get 15625 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 is 4 is equal to 46872, right? And then A into, when I subtract this, 15624 divided by 4 is equal to 46872, and divide by 4 this term. If I divide by this number as 4 means we get 3906. 4 3s are 12, remainder 3 36, 4 9s are 36, and then 0, and then we have to take two numbers 24, 6 4s are 24, right? So A into 3906 is equal to 46870. Then we want to find out A value. 46872 divided by multiplication, right? So divide by 3906. When you divide, we get the value. When you divide this by 2, we get 2 3 4 3 6. When I divide by 2, we get 1 9 5 3, right? Again divide by 3, 7 8, divide by 3, right? 7 3s are 21, and then remainder 2 24. So we get 7 8 1 2, 7 3s are 21, and then 24, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 2s are, and then denominator 651. Again we have to divide this. We get 2604 divided by 217. Again divide by 3 itself, and then the last, if you divide this term, we get 12. Then A is equal to 12. The first term of the GP is A is equal to 12. Thank you, students.